Hi, it's me again. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I just wanted to post a video, and I'm going to try and get you one more this week. As we go into week 6 and we start to wrap these projects up, the one thing that may take a little bit of time to still get right is this idea of net present value and what that calculator is supposed to do. So as you look at the calculator, there is a column that's essentially a column 0. It's to the left of the first month. That's where you put the actual cost of the project. So any equipment, software, training, etc., all goes there. Then to the right of that is where you put the additional costs that may be a result of it, additional revenues, any cost savings. And what that does is it, in the bottom section of that calculator, it takes those amounts, especially out 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, etc., and it figures out how much that would be in today's dollars at the discount rate that we've assigned. Now you can think of a discount rate as an interest rate in reverse. So if we're earning 10% and we had $1 today, then it'd be $1.10 a year from now. And what that really means is that a year from now, $1.10, if everything's going at about a 10% rate, would buy the same as $1 would buy today. So if I could buy a sandwich for $1, a year from now I could buy it for $1.10. Well, it's a little different with business. Our costs are a little higher. Our interest rates or dividend payments are a little higher. So our rate's somewhere between 12 and 20%. 10% is a low end for a nonprofit. But that rate includes everything we would need to get as a return so that we can pay our costs. So $1.12 a year from now is only $1 today. What the calculator does is it takes the information you put in and it translates that back into how much is that worth today. So what we want to know is the money we're going to get in the future worth the same or more than what we're going to have to pay out day 0 when we buy the equipment. If it is, then we have a positive net present value, and that means we would want to buy the equipment. So that's something we want to look at. Please use DQ to discuss these concepts this week about how your costs are supported, how your revenues are supported. Remember, they've got to make sense. It's very unlikely that you're going to make $1 million in your first year for a $20,000 cost. I'm here, like I said, I'm going to have a couple more videos, but let's have some fun this week, help understand these projects as we wrap them up, and I look forward to seeing you online. Thanks.